Okay, welcome to Blender. So today we are going to be looking at falling materials and also looking at putting in some magic textures. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a plane to begin with. Let's press S for scale. Let's add a cube, and then we can go ahead, just place that on top right there. Let's go ahead with a plane. S for scale again. Let's go and press G, bring this up, R for rotate, so that we've got that nice little curve going through, and then we'll go shading, new. Let's add onto the magic texture, and you want to go ahead and place this to colour to base colour right here, so you should have something like this. You can go ahead and distort this as much as you'd like. You can scale this up, scale this down, whatever your heart desires. Right, okay, so once we've got something like this, let's go ahead and add in a colour ramp. Going like this. You know what, I'm going to bring these two together a little bit more so we've got some more contrast. And what I'm going to do, let's go to layouts, let's go to modifiers. Sorry, not modifiers, it is physics. Let's go to cloth. You're going to want to go and click on the base right here. We'll go with collision, and the cube of course is going to be collision. When you hit the space bar, your material should activate the way that it should. However, we need to do one thing because this is not acting like a material. Let's go to and select this. Let's go to edit mode. We're going to right click, subdivide, 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 subdivide until your computer can take no more. Let's go onto the objects mode, and we'll go back to 1 frame start, and we'll go ahead and click that space bar once more. Now you see that we have a material that behaves like a material, but this is very square. So what I'm going to do is let's press the space bar again. Let's go right click, shade smooth. And now we can see that material is falling a little bit more delicately. So the next thing I'm going to do is let's go ahead and grab this cube, Shift D, duplicate, and then S for scale. We'll make a bigger cube just at the back, and maybe we'll make one that's kind of off center. Oops. Let's press the spacebar again. You'll notice that this happens. So that's just a really quick tutorial on materials and stuff like that, just basic stuff that you will get with Blender. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.